Did someone's carelessness set in motion a sequence of events that led us here today? You want to know what I'm talking about and why this is so important in any personal injury or medical malpractice case? Come join me for a moment as I share with you some great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney practicing law in the state of New York. So now what I'm talking about is something called causation. You should know that in an accident case, a personal injury case, or a medical malpractice case, or even a wrongful death case, we have to show not only that we are more likely right than wrong than what we are claiming is true, we have to show that the people who you are suing are legally responsible for the happening of this event. Once we're able to show that they were careless, or they violated from the basic standards of medical care in a malpractice case, we then have to show that that carelessness was a cause of, doesn't have to be the cause, has to be a cause of your injury. Many times it's difficult to understand what causation really means. But if you think about it this way, you'll have a clear understanding of the connection between the carelessness or the wrongdoing and the injury. So think about it this way. Did someone's carelessness set in motion a sequence of events that brought us here today? So now in a car accident case, if somebody crossed over the double yellow line and now hit you head on, what was that sequence of events? It was someone was careless and crossed over the double yellow line. As a direct result of that, they hit your car head on. As a direct result of that impact, you suffered horrible injuries. So now you begin to understand how this gets applied. In a medical malpractice case, it works the same way. You go in to have surgery, you come out with a horrible injury. What was the sequence of events that led to your being in court today? The sequence of events was the doctor violated from the basic standards of medical care, caused you an injury during the course of your surgery that now caused you additional further harm for which you now need ongoing medical care and treatment. So why do I share this quick information with you? I share it with you just to give you an inside look at how these cases work here in the state of New York involving accident cases and medical malpractice and wrongful death cases. You know, I understand you're watching this video because you likely have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter did happen here in New York and you're thinking about bringing a lawsuit, but you have questions that need to be answered first, what I invite you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, this is something I do every single day and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, G-E-R-R-Y, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.